is George and this is SaaS Master. Today we're going to check out EpicPxls. So you can grab it right now in a lifetime deal, and if you want to grab it, the link is going to be in the description. So what is EpicPxls? You might be wondering if it's something like stock photos or something like that, but no. It's like stock photos, but it's more for designs, and you can download it to actually modify them in Photoshop, in Sketch, Pixels, Finch, and a whole bunch of other products that have modifying things that we're going to check out right now. So there's a lifetime deal going on right now. It's $39 to start off, and $39 gets you 20 premium items downloads. If you need more monthly, then you should buy the next stack. That's how it works. So this is a dashboard for EpicPxls, and you're going to see that you're going to find a whole bunch of products that you can download and modify them. These are not simple products. They are meant for actual editing. So it's like more advanced things that if you actually try to do something like this, it would take you hours, and we're gonna see that right now. So I've already checked out some of them. Like you have right here, Cosmo UI Kit. Imagine doing this, designing, even finding these little icons. It could be a big hassle. Check this out. They look really nice, and you can download and edit them. So one of the ones I already downloaded and checked out is this one right here, which is a Food Mat App UI Kit. And this one is for Photoshop. Now you can see what there are for right here. You can see the options right here. So you can see PSD files and sketch files. So I've downloaded it for Photoshop, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like right now. This is one of the items I've opened from them. And you can see we can modify all this. Let me open that really big. You can modify everything right here. So let me click on this icon. Everything is separated and modified. Let me grab that and change the color right now. So for example, yellow, green. Do I want to make it like gradient? I can do that also. I can grab the image and change it if I want. If I double click, I can change the image. I can change this right here. So for example, if I click on the eye, that means I will remove it, or I can show it. Pricing, if I want to edit pricing. So for example, it's $700. I'll edit over here. Okay, edit that. $70. Now it's $7. Now what I'm trying to show you right now is that you can modify everything. I mean, colors, backgrounds. I mean, try to do all this by yourself or from scratch, and it's gonna take you hours. So for example, we got this background right here. So right now it's locked. You can see I can't move it around. But if I head over here, this is the action bar. If I click on the eye, I know that's the stuff right here. This is the folder. And if we click this little lock button, it's gonna let us now modify it. See how I can move this around? Everything can be changed, from fonts, from whatever the images. You can move them around separately. See that? It's locked. I can move it, I can change it around, I can change the colors and edit anything I want. So that's how it works with almost all the products inside of EpicPxls. Let me show you right here, EpicPxls. And I'm gonna show you a little bit more things that we can download. So for example, you got Gradient Emoji Kit. Imagine grabbing these emojis, trying to find them in Google. It's a big pain, I know. For example, hire job portal. So try to get this, try to make it yourself. It's gonna take you a long time. Well, all this is able to be modified. This one is meant for Adobe XD. So be careful what type of product you're gonna use it for, because for example, me, I don't use Adobe XD, but I do use AI and Photoshop. So be careful with that. Or some people don't use Sketch, so don't download those type of products. Battery management, there's like these type of GIFs, so you can download this GIF, see how it moves. You can download it and put it on your site or use it somewhere else. You can also search around in EpicPxls for example, let's just say cars. Choose cars, and it's going to show you everything that has to do with cars. Check out these icon packs. These are really neat. Oops, didn't want to click on that. These icon packs, check that out. If I click on it, I can grab these and download. Now, how are these shown? Well, I already downloaded one, and I'm going to show you that right now. So when you download an icon pack, you got the AI file, you got the PSD file, you got the EPS file. Let me open this. You can download each one. Open each one because I already downloaded it, and modify colors, shapes, anything you want. PNG, if you want to use this just straight away, you can do it right now. See this? I just grab them. Or you can do the pixel preview. That's just a preview. SVG for like web, you can use that also. Now I already opened this PSD file. I would recommend that you edit each one individually, not like this. But you can see if I grab this right now, I even grabbed the little hands. So I want to grab the whole thing, move it around. But let's just say, for example, I wanted to remove something. I click on this little eyes and I can remove it. I can change the color for each one of these. So what I'm trying to show you is that everything can be modified with these files. So they're meant for this. So they're not for basic users, but they're not also for like super advanced. What it does is help you stop wasting time and trying to create all this, or even finding it on Google to actually do it. So for example, right here, I got transportation, right? So let's click on transportation. I'm gonna do a search on Google. I'm gonna go to images, and well, guess what? These are not in PNG. I cannot use them. If I click on this one, they tell you to go somewhere to actually go buy them or download it or put your email to actually get them. So you're not able to get it. So like, let's do transportation PNG, right? You got so many limited options that they're not even usable. So let's just grab this. That's not an actual PNG, it's fake. If I click on this one, it's not a PNG. If I click on that, it's not a PNG. So I'm just trying to let you know this one is, but hey, one option out of all of the ones I've selected. Let's click on this little bus. Okay, that's available. But if you're actually looking for more specific niche, it's gonna be super hard. But if you search for like icons, I got icons right here in general. There's Halloween coming. You got all these 3D icons right here, graphic designs, Christmas, communication, construction, dev logos, music, Halloween, or you can just use the search. They're adding daily like stuff right here, so you're getting more content like you're doing right now, like we're showing you. And just for example, right now I'm paying for another service similar to this one, $198 a year. So it's not a lifetime. I'm paying $198 a year, and if I had this, I wouldn't be paying that. So I really recommend if you're doing designs, if you're doing work for customers, if you don't want to waste time making these designs, well, just grab them from here and stop wasting time. You got all these categories available. You got apps, animations, sketch plugins, fonts, UI kits, themes, illustration, wireframes, widgets, so on and so forth. There's also mockups right here. See that? Mockups. What mockups do is like you download it and you can edit anything inside of there. So if you got the iPhone XS screen right there, the phone, you can edit inside the screen. So that's what a mockup is. So it's pretty cool to have all these options for like a really cheap one-time payment. 39 bucks gives you 20 premium items downloads a month. So maybe you don't need that many, or maybe you need more than that, but just bump to the next plan or to the next one. That means you only pay once. It's a lifetime deal, and you have this service forever. So that's the way it works. It's a pretty awesome deal. Guys, grab it if you're actually doing right now jobs like these, or you plan on doing jobs like these. It's recommended you have something like this so you don't start off from scratch. You got so many options available that you can just start working right away and customize it to your liking. Well, all right, guys, my name is George. This is SaaS Master, and check out the deal in the description. See you guys later.